M0FXB on Morse code learning. So I found this program quite a long time ago actually, and I found that I could start remembering Morse code within about half an hour, 45 minutes of using it. So I've sort of come back to it. It's not my program. It's created by Mr. G Clips, and I'll have a link to it in the description. So it uses, you'll see in a second, the shapes and the endings of the letters to give you a visual idea of the sound, and then it's just a matter of practice. So if we watch the A here, so do you get that? So if you look at that, you got the dot, then it's da, dot, da. So we'll just watch that a bit more. Then look at the B. So look, da, dit, dit, dit for B. Da, dit, dit, dit. And here where it cuts the C in half. Da, dit, da, dit. So da, dit, dit. Da, dit, dit. So I found if I use this method, after I had to go through it, say 3-4 times, and then I started to remember it. So I'll put a link in the description. I think it worked well for me, although the speed at which you need to learn Morse code is quite fast to sit there in front of a radio and decode in your mind. So I just thought I'd give it a mention. I'll put the link in the description, see what you think. 7.3, please subscribe. M0FXB clear.